This stunning, luxurious finished mansion is located in one of the most desirable areas in all of Naples. A 4,334 square foot estate features natural stone flooring, granite counters, a safe room, and oversized screened pool with space ideal for entertaining. This property is perfect for the family with discriminating taste. Spacious interior with vaulted ceilings, crown moldings, and chandelier. Decor exquisitely portrayed with no expense spared. 24-hour guard and clubhouse with fitness center and playground. Sharpline Realty, the only way to sell real estate.